For most retail day traders, the morning is a high-stress scramble. You sit glued to a multi-monitor setup, chugging coffee, frantically trying to guess which way the market is going to rip at the opening bell. You don't actually need to play that guessing game. Some of the market's most explosive, directional moves are quietly primed while the rest of the world is sound asleep. Global Forex volume is heavily concentrated in specific time zones. Because the massive institutions in London and New York are offline, the Asian trading hours become a distinct low-volume period where prices quietly consolidate. By setting up a few specific orders, you can capture the day's largest, most predictable liquidity surge entirely on autopilot. It operates as a true set-and-forget system. Successful professionals don't try to outwit the chaos of the market. They mechanically execute a proven system before the chaos even begins. The foundation of this strategy relies on a strict mathematical boundary, the 8-hour window between midnight and 080 GMT. We call this the Asian box. This chart shows exactly what happens during those quiet hours. Because there isn't enough institutional volume to drive a sustained trend, the price bounces back and forth, trapped inside a tight range between support and resistance. You actively want to look for these highly constrained sideways markets. If a pair has already moved 50 or 60 pips during the Asian session, the energy is spent and the setup is ruined. To maximize this effect, you need high beta currency pairs, instruments known for their heavy volatility. Crosses involving the Japanese yen, like the British pound to yen, are perfect because the yen is the primary currency active during this time block. This 8-hour sideways box operates as a coiled spring, steadily accumulating the exact kinetic energy required for a massive directional surge. As the clock hits 07 GMT, European pre-market trading begins in Frankfurt. This is exactly where novice traders get destroyed. We call this the Frankfurt Fakeout. Institutions deliberately push the price outside the Asian box to trigger premature buyers, hunting their liquidity before the price violently reverses back the other way. To filter out this pre-market noise, you apply a strict time-based rule. Wait for the 08 GMT volume to confirm the true direction. A real trend initiation sustains itself safely outside the box. Instead of manually guessing the direction, you bypass human emotion entirely by setting up an OCO, or one cancels the other order, at 0755 GMT. You simply place two pending orders, one to buy 2 to 5 pips above the box, and one to sell 2 to 5 pips below it. For protection, you place your stop loss exactly at the midpoint of the Asian box. If the box is 40 pips wide, your stop goes at the 20 pip mark, giving the trade room to breathe against minor pullbacks. By setting this mechanical trap 5 minutes before the hour, you completely remove the psychological burden of predicting market direction. Then, 8 o'clock GMT arrives. European banks and hedge funds come online, and massive liquidity from the London session floods the global tape. This sudden influx of institutional volume shatters the Asian box. It triggers a massive chain reaction of stop losses and breakout entries sitting just outside the boundaries, creating a rapid, violent momentum feedback loop. As the price explodes in one direction and triggers your entry, your OCO system automatically deletes the opposite order. Your position is live, perfectly catching the wave. This extreme, unpredictable volatility regularly wipes out emotional manual traders. But for this mechanical strategy, that exact chaos is the engine that fuels your profit. Getting into the trade automatically is only half the system. Knowing exactly when to leave the trade mechanically is equally critical. This chart shows how we use the average daily range, or ADR, to set realistic targets. It measures how far a specific pair typically moves daily. Instead of trading on greed, we use this math to set a hard, reliable take-profit line. Aiming for 50 to 60% of the remaining range ensures you exit the market cleanly, safely banking your profit before the unpredictable New York session reversal begins. Compare that to the exhausting reality of manual trading. With this system, you aren't frantically watching every 1-minute candle. You are simply waking up to a notification that your profit target was hit while you were having breakfast. The Asian Session Breakout requires an entire shift in how you operate. It forces a disciplined, emotionless, and balanced professional workflow. Executing precise pending orders during a high volatility market open requires an institutional grade broker environment. If your broker lags, you will suffer disastrous slippage. FXNX provides the deep liquidity and zero point zero pip spreads required to execute this exact setup with zero friction. Open an FXNX account today, download the Asian Session Breakout checklist, and test this mechanical setup on a demo environment tonight. Let the market come to you.